Electric charge. What is electric charge? Answer. The property of electron which give rise to electric force between two electrons or two protons is called electric charge. The property of electron which gives rise to electric force between two electrons is called electric charge. Electric charge is denoted by a small q. Electric charge is denoted by a small q. Q equal to plus 1e, maybe minus 1e, maybe plus 2e, maybe minus 2e, so on, where E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Coulomb is denoted by C. Capital C. Capital C is Coulomb and E is electron. Electric charges are produced due to actual transfer of electrons. The electric charges are produced due to actual transfer of electrons. Okay, the charges are produced due to actual transfer of electrons. These transfer of electrons occur due to rubbing of two insulating bodies. Now we learn properties of charge. Properties of charge. First property is quantization and second is conservation. Quantization and second is conservation. These two properties of charges are quantization of charge and conservation of electric charge. Quantization of charge means electric charge can exist only as an integral multiple of charge on an electron. Integral multiple of charge on an electron means Q equal to plus or minus Ne, where N is an integer integer means counting number, positive counting number, negative counting number, and zero. Zero, positive counting number, and negative counting numbers is called integers. So what is quantization of electric charge? Electric charge can exist only as an integral multiple of charge on an electron. Electric charge can exist only as an integral multiple of charge on an electron. Q equal to plus minus Ne, where N is integer, E is electron, and Q is charge. Now, conservation of charge. On an isolated system, total electric charge always remains constant. This is called conservation of electric charge. On an isolated system, total electric charge always remains constant. Total electric charge always remains constant. Okay, always remains constant. Now I summarize it. Electric charge denoted by Q. The definition of electric charge is the property of electron which gives rise to electric force between two electrons is called electric charge. Electric charge is denoted by a small q. Q equal to plus 1e plus 2e plus 3e so on, or minus 1e minus 2e minus 3e so on, where E is electron. E value of E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. The electric charges are produced due to actual transfer of electrons when we rubbed two insulators. The properties of electric charge is quantization of electric charge and conservation of electric charge. Quantization, Q equal to plus minus Ne, where N is integer and E is electron, Q is charge. And second property is conservation of electric charge. On an isolated system, total electric charge always remains constant. Thank you. Watch on the YouTube channel @terms class. And subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. For any query, please comment